Say hello. Say we are back, and it's been a week. Yes. And today we are coming with some hot pockets. Hot pockets. Okay, thank you. So we're just gonna dive in, and well, I'm gonna let her dive in, and I'm probably talk and let update you guys. So, hot mama. So how you guys been doing? We have been doing great. Been feeling bad a few days, but I'm not gonna sit and complain about it because it's a blessing. Been drinking some water and stuff, so keep my energy up. I haven't been feeling up to doing videos and stuff. I have been cooking. I cooked some hot dogs last night with some fries, seasoned fries. I add my own season to it. It's hot, mama. You gotta blow it. And but every time I got ready to do it, I would like hurry up and have to go throw up, and I haven't been feeling well, which you guys should understand. That's mommy's. This is yours. Wait a minute. We're gonna bring it to her. But I appreciate you guys being patient with us. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the other ones. I was looking at my last one, and a lot of people really like watching what I do. Oh, and I will record. I am getting Chinese today. I wanted to do something different for you guys, but I think I'm gonna stick to what I can actually hold down and eat for you guys. I'm sure you guys understand that. And Michaela been doing good. On the 19th, I will be one year natural, and I will on the 19th. I will do a hair update. I will do that on the 19th. That's a promise. And I will I told you guys I will keep you updated. So my next appointment will be Tuesday. So Tuesday I will come back on and leave you guys with the good news, whether it's a boy or a girl. And I will put two how do you put it, two pictures on YouTube based on what do you guys think, and you tell me, do you think it's a girl or do you think it's a boy? And I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna make it look all pretty for you guys. So, and I want you to tell me what you think about it. But other than that, everything's been good. We went on vacation. I didn't want to film it because I'm just not starting to get used to. It's not time to go bye yet, baby. Ha, ha. We have been eating good over here, y'all. And we are loving it. And I'm gonna tell you guys based on my prenatals, like the ins and outs of everything, because I want you guys to know and stay on this journey with us. Whoa. All right. Wait a minute. Oh, thought there was something on there, baby. I don't know where it fell to, but I'll look at it once we finish with the video. But we went to the coast, Gulfport, for last weekend. We had so much fun, you guys. Michaela was in the water. I got in the water. And just really wanted to get away. This is the first vacation. That was the first thing we did as a family since Michaela was born. So, and looking at what the time slot says right now, we only have like 8 minutes and 1 second on this video right here. So, but you guys know I don't need no 8 minutes just to eat this one hot pocket, but we wanted to do a mommy and me. If we get close to the time and we're running out, I will feed Michaela the rest of hers off camera, but we wanted to make an appearance. I plucked her hair out in the back and just had like 2 French braids at the top right there with the little knot right there to make it look cute. And she got a little glittery bow at the top right there, like right at the top of her head. So. It was like she wanted to get up and play, so I'm just gonna move this aside. It was hers. But I will keep you guys updated on. Y'all like my pearls? I love them. But thumbnail. I learned that trick over this past week because I'm looking like, why everybody do that on their videos? And they smile and look weird. But I promise you, when you look at this video, it's gonna be like a thumbnail like this. And I was like, okay, I see what you did there. But y'all have been drinking a lot of water. We have eaten a lot of fruit. Not gonna complain this pregnancy, so stay tuned. I will tell you the good and the bad, but I'm not gonna complain about them. But say bye-bye. But we will stay tuned, and till next time, you guys, we love you. And we're sorry about not having posted a video this past week or whatever. But we will. Later on today or tomorrow. Well, I will film today and I'll probably upload it tomorrow. So, bye.